This is one of my favorites. It allows you to change both the angle and the length at the same time. It sort of combines rotation and stretch. Before we get started, I expect you to already have a pretty good level of AutoCAD experience, and you should know how to create and edit blocks. It's really useful that you already understand how to use parameters and actions, and you're confident changing things like the angle offset action in the Properties panel. If you're confused by this, please see Lesson 8. And as always, please bring your enthusiasm. What we will be covering today is how to rotate and stretch geometry at the same time. We'll do this by using a polar parameter and a polar stretch action. And we'll be adding a few increments just to spice things up. To begin with, please use this reference drawing. Now, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a drone or a grabber. You can decide for yourself, but I think it looks really cool. We're going to start with a polar parameter. We're going to go from the 0, 0 to the end, and we're going to add one grip point. Then we're going to add a polar stretch action. It works almost identical to the stretch action, so it's super important that you understand how that works already. And then we're going to repeat this for all 4 arms. Then we're going to select each parameter in turn and adjust the angle offset by 90 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. Remember, AutoCAD starts at about 3 o'clock and it moves in an anti-clockwise direction. Let's save the block and see how we're doing. It looks pretty good, but I'd like to constrain the amount of freedom that we have a little bit more. To do that, let's open up the block, select the geometry, and change the distance type to incremental. I'm going to add increments of 0.5. A distance minimum of 2. And a distance maximum of 5. The angle type is also going to be incremental. We're going to have an angle increment of 5, no minimum, and an angle maximum of 90. If we save the block and open it up, you'll see the results. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.